afternoon. Today we are showing how to make an updation for the RSIP. Now we have the RSIP here and connected directly to the notebook or computer and using the net cable. And this side we also connected to a bus just for power supply. And this RSIP has been reset to the default one, and the IP address has been set to default to here. You may see from here the IP address. And now we can check this version from the computer. From Smart Cloud, we can check here. This one has been the old RSIP, and the old version should be version 1.34. Okay, let's go to next step and to see. Before that, we can also check in this one. The IP address for this one here, it has been reset to default, and this is the MAC address, and this is the device ID. Let's go for next step for updation. To press this button of program, and then you would see this one to attempt to connect, and then we go back to RSIP. From RSIP, and we firstly need to unplug this S bus and then get the power off. After we get the power off of the RSIP, and then we press this reset button, and also if we make a broadcasting, also this button, and this one press and hold, and then plug into here, and then you see this one has been completed. After completed, and don't press again, so the mission has accomplished. Thank you. From here, and you will see the program completed. Congratulations, you have already finished the process. Then we can check from the smart cloud of the status. change back to the RSIP, and after you change your computer or notebook network address, the IP address, and then disconnect the RSIP to the network bus, and then restart also your S-Bus network, and then go to Smart Cloud. We restart here. After your RSIP and S-Bus network reconnected, then you go back to the Smart Cloud, and do remember to start the Smart Cloud and as an administrator. From here, configuration, you see here from the set RSIP, and here change to default, and now save, because as you would say, this one has been enabled with password feature, and the default password is 128, and then save. You may see from here also the current IP address has been changed to this one. Okay, and we go for search and to see if we have get this one. Now you have see the RSIP has been listed to the devices, and then we add all. Now we can go to check the RSIP if changed, upgraded, successful, and read the current device version. Now we see from here we has been to version 2.04. Okay, sounds everything good. And here you see from the IP address, the new IP address of the default RSIP for this version is this one. And do remember, indicate your computer or your notebook to this IP address as the root IP, because as we see from here, the RSIP directly connected to the phone and to the notebook. If you have this one to connect it to the router, you need to change this one to your root IP. And also you may check here the password, and you can set any of the password. Okay, let's finish this course. Thank you.